whatever it is called. I don't know. I'm not good at pronouncing people's names. Plus if I'm deaf, so yeah. Best to go to that door if you want that way. Can you go there? Can you go there? See ya. Give us a wave as you get off, because now 105. Secrets of Templecombe Station. Really quickly. Oh well. Right. Where do I start? Apart from that, which I'll take a picture in a minute and probably then put pictures in voiceover, maybe voiceover, but there we are. Anyway, Templecombe Station. Hang on. Where I'm stood right now was an old platform. It used to be double track until the SD and JR long thing, whatever you call it, long caption on screen now. That closed. Then over the years it closed from double track down to single track, meaning the platform we were just on shut. That platform over there, I think still open, I don't know, but then I don't know when it happened, but this platform right here was built on the where the track bed thing used to be. And the SD and JR used to arrive on a platform over there somewhere. This is the higher upper level. Down there somewhere is a road bridge where the lower level used to be, which is now shut because it's now a road. Signal box, I've no idea if it's still open or not. So yeah, now trains tend to arrive and depart on this platform, not that one over there. How annoying. There you go. 159-015. Do you prefer South Western Railway or South West Trains?
Probably that one.
See?
A bit more colourful.
You should unlock the doors from that one if you like South West Trains. I find it interesting because I can take a picture and go, which carriage did I fit in? Sorry, mate.
Sorry. See ya.
See you, mate. Oh, hang on. What would you choose? South West Trains or South Western Railway? To Basingstoke. And you. One 159 020, and I don't know what the front numbers are. That was Secrets of Templecombe Station, and trains are at Templecombe Station. Join me next time when I've got enough money in the bank. Join me next time for when I go off train spotting next time when I have got enough money in the bank. Into Bank, where this train terminates. Change here for the Central, Circle, District and Northern Line and the DLR. All change please. I'm joking, but bank, but yeah, anyway.